Dang it, man. Look at all of this rubble that we gotta pick up because of that tornado, man. Dang. Still raining outside, man. Blanket, man. Blanket. Oh, God. What is that? What is that? Dude, I think there's another tornado coming. Oh, really? Yeah. Dude, bro, if there's another tornado coming, bro, nah, it's game over. I mean, yeah, pretty much. Bro, if there is another tornado, dude, this one's supposed to be like 2 times as powerful as the other one. Really? Yeah, kinda. I mean, like, they said it was supposed to be an EF, a really strong EF5 up to 300 mile per hour winds, wedge tornado. Oh no, yeah. And that's by the time it gets like 3/4 of the way here. Like, really? Yeah, I know. It's like, I don't know. I can't process it, bro. So shouldn't we be like taking cover or something? I mean, we can stay here a little bit. I mean, yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah, we can stay here a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, we might need to hide under this rubble again. Yeah, probably. If that tornado does come over here, I'm getting under here, you know. Yeah, I guess that's a pretty good hiding spot. Yeah. So, what do you want to do? I don't know. Yeah. Oh, yep. Let's go. Let's hide. All right. See you under there. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. So we are under here right now. Yeah. I can hear it coming. Yeah. It's coming. It's definitely coming. I mean, yeah. Oh God. Oh my God. Yeah, it's about to go. It's almost here, dude. Dude, I'm scared, dude. I can't. Yeah, bro. Obviously, bro. This is an F5 tornado, 300 mile per hour wedge tornado, 2 miles wide. Oh God, no. Yes. Why? Yes, I don't know. All right. Oh God. No. Oh God, this is scary, dude. Oh God. Hey yo, any of y'all good? Y'all gooch? Man. Hello, is anybody there? I can't hear. I can't see. We just got bodied. Yeah. Help. I need help. My legs don't work. This is destructive. Yeah. Please help me. I'm not gonna cap. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go look for people now. Yeah, just call your name if you hear me. Nobody? Alright, I'm coming to look for you. Man. Yeah. Need to find them. Anyway. Anybody back there? They good. Gang. So you good? Not really. Alright. That means that means I gotta crap on you though. No. I don't wanna get crapped on this time, and yeah. Thing looked like it bodied us. Yeah, kinda. I mean, yeah. So you want me to pull you out of here? I mean, obviously, like, why not? Yeah, I guess you got a point there. I'll see what I can do. Yeah. Let's do this. Alright, come on. Yeah, over here. Alright. Well, I got a crap on you first, though. Why? Just cause, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. It gonna be hard, but gotta understand that not always easy. Cause I mean, yeah, I guess you're right. I mean, yeah. So yeah, let me pull you out of here, I guess. Oh God. Yeah, that was the editor. If you could see him, I don't think you did. You might have caught like a little glimpse of him, but yeah. Anyway, yeah. Let's do this. Gang. Oh yeah, gang. Yeah. I'm gonna crap on both of y'all. No, don't do this. You don't gotta do this. You don't gotta do this, cuz you just don't, cuz. Come on, please don't do this. I'm gonna do this. Nah, please don't. Drunk history, games on games. Oh God. What are you? Why do you have to be like this? Oh God, it's gonna be like Taco Bell, Gino's Pizza, and Anthony's in here. Oh God, no. Was that just an easy one? Yeah. I'm going to crap on you now. No, please don't do this. Oh God, no, don't. You don't gotta do this. You don't gotta do this. Yes, I do. That's my job. Literally, that is my job. No, you don't gotta do this. Like, actually, like, you don't gotta do this. Yes, I do. No, please, don't do this. Yes, no. Alright. Why do y'all gotta be? No, not again. No, please. Oh God. Andy's part 2. Oh God. So I heard like immense farting going on over here. Oh yeah, that was me. The freak did you eat? Let's see, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Burger King, Subway, Long John's, yeah, Anthony's, yeah. Well, dang, that was loud. Did anybody get hurt or? Yeah, I think one person who was that? He's that guy. I just loaded too much of a fart on him and he died. Yeah, R.I.P. Yeah. Well, dang, that is sad. That is really sad. Yeah. Where do you want to be? Where you want to be? Nothing. Look at your llama. Hey. Yeah, so, what do we do? I mean, I could press charges, or you can just say you're sorry. I'm not saying I'm sorry, dude. That was my accident. I know, but, like, still, I don't care. Well, you're gon' care here in a minute, cuh. I don't care, cuh. Oh, you don't care? You don't care? Yeah, come here. No, I'm using my immense fighting skills. Oh, God, no, please. Yeah, that's what you get. That's exactly what you get. Like and subscribe. One like equals one prayer for my boy Skeleton, Crooked Man over here. Yeah. Very emo. Yeah, just make sure to subscribe to him, or subscribe to us. Yeah, Crooked Man. Yeah, once again, one like equals one prayer for Crooked Man, alright? Yeah, peace.